My name is Darren Cannell. I am drawing another Birdhead. I am drawing using my iPad and Apple Pencil. The first stage of this bird took me about 1 hour to draw. Then I moved it over the computer and created stage 2. Stage 3 I took another 3 to 4 hours to create the techno effect, which you can see at the end of the video. I really liked how the finished version worked out. If you are interested in a real-time video of stage 1, I can do that. Just comment, and I will post it right away. Don't forget to subscribe.